Hello guys, so today we are going to be showing you guys on how to make massive profit in volatility 75 index. Now you are going to be joining us in our VIP Telegram channel where you will learn everything you need to know about forex trading, and you are going to be dropping our links on our comment section where you will join us and learn more about forex trading. Now this is volatility 75 index. In case you are actually watching for the first time, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you share this video to as many as you can, and don't forget to like and comment what you actually think about this video. But before we proceed, I would like to share with you guys a good news, an opportunity that you don't want to miss out in the market. Now I'm actually helping beginners in market to actually grow their account into massive profit. In case you are actually losing or you're making losses in the market, you find it difficult to grow your account in every cases, or anytime you want to trade, no matter how big equity you have, you still end up blowing your account. You have so much losses in the market, then you choose not to even trade anything at all. Or maybe you have so much losses, then you choose to learn more about forex trading before you go into trading, before you go into trading to make massive profit. Now I'm going to be giving you advice. First of all, I can actually manage your account and you'll be making massive profits in the market without even knowing that forex trading exists. As you can see, we are actually making this particular amount in the market, and we are using this equity, 17k equity, to make this massive profit, and we are still going to make more. Just stay tuned. Now let me continue. I can actually manage your account and make massive profit in the market while you just sit at home and do nothing. Just point it to my DM right now and bring your equity account. How much equity are you with? $10, $20, $100, $50. Um, bring it to my DM. I'll be dropping my link on my comment section or on my description. So go to my comment section or go to my description. You will see my link there, and you will actually click it. Bring it for an account management and be assured of massive income from me. And don't forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, make sure you share this video to as many as you can. And if you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, make sure you turn on the notification button to be getting notification anytime we post this kind of video that will actually enable you or lift you up in a massive way, in a success way in forex trading. Now also, like I said before, I will also be dropping the link for a free Telegram channel where you'll be learning more massively about forex trading. Just go to my comment section. You'll see my direct message or link, and you see my group message link. So just punch it to my DM, and I'll be the one responding 100% every day. I'm always active for you guys because I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help you guys to grow more massively in profit. I know you guys have lost a lot of money because of a lack of strategy and so many things, but I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make massive profit. Now, before we go, or before we close in this broadcast, I would like to tell you guys things that can actually cause your losses in the market. Maybe you want to still be trading by yourself. Let me show you guys on how to do it. Now, first of all, if you're actually a beginner in forex trading and you want to make massive income, and you don't want to make any friends and stuff, you just want to be trading your account but you still lose anytime you trade, I will recommend you to bring your account for an account management. But if you insist, I will be showing you guys a few things that will actually cause all those things. First of all, you need to acquire discipline. Now discipline comes exactly when you've lost so much money in the market, because you cannot go into market right now and start acquiring discipline. You need to make so much money in the market in order to acquire this discipline or wisdom that I'm talking about. Then secondly, you need account management risk. Yeah, you need an account management risk, or should I say you need to learn how to place your stop loss and take profit in the market, because it's very important as a beginner, because you might not know where the market is going, and you might not know if your market is going to stay profit forever. So you need to put these two things: stop loss and take profit is very important, because stop loss will enable you to closing with a little loss size, with a little loss that you don't want to lose more, you can actually close in with a little loss. Now, take profit we actually close it with the exact amount of money you want to make in the market, instead of you trying to gamble out of yourself, or trying to make massive profit. Our forex trade is not actually a place of gambling, so you need to know exactly what you are trading before you actually go into the trading market. Understand? Now, last but not the least, you still need a mentor, an account management mentor, somebody that will enable or that will teach you on how to make this profit in the market. You need a mentor in order to progress. You can't actually learn everything losing your account, unless you need to make massive equity, maybe for like 100k dollars. Then you start trading it by yourself. At least before you lose up to how much equity you've made about massive income. All right, or before you lose your equity, it means about massive income, and you've lost many profits before you'll be able to learn on how to make massive profit in the market. You need very massive very massive income, of sorry very massive equity, to be able to make massive profit in the market. Yes, as a beginner, and you need to know how to trade very well. A lot of you guys don't really know how to trade, but they just choose to go into market in order to disgrace themselves or blow their equity. I have this particular downline that have actually been in my accounts management. I made about whole bunch of money for him, and I made massive profit for him. Then at the end of the day, he decided to stop the account management. I said, all right. Then after everything, he came back after 2 days, telling me that okay, his account just blowed up. He funded all the money, all the massive profit he made. He funded it, and it just blew up. Now I'm going to tell you guys, stop gambling in market. Gambling is not really a place of is not really forex trading. You need to know this, and you need to know peace. Don't gamble in the market. If you want to make massive profit, then give a professional to trade for you. But if you want to learn how to make profit in the market, don't risk your account too much. Know how to trade. Learn this few strategy of mine, and go into the market and see uh how important, or how brave, or should I say how courty you could be in the market. So don't forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to as many as you can. I'm going to see you guys in my next upper video. So stay tuned, turn up the notification button, don't forget, and don't forget to like. Come to my DM for an account management in case you are actually lacking, or you don't have much equity, or you want to make massive without risking much. Come to my come to my DM for an account management. I'm going to grow your account. It's a massive profit. Now, before we close this trade, we are going to be looking for $2,000 uh profit. So let's stay tuned. If you're actually in my VIP Telegram channel, you may be able to see this trade till it gets to $2,000 profit. But if you're not, please join my VIP Telegram channel, where you learn more about forex trading, and also you will be guided in how to trade volatility 75 index. Have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and turn on your notification button for more updates like this.